point back, left, walk,
to the right,
walk,
and cross.
walk, walk. Okay, patingin. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. But you don't move your hips. Diretso lang. Imaginary line. Follow a line. You go line, line, good, line, line, follow a line, chest out. Very good. Okay. So, pag may slow song kayo, and the director wants you to travel, you can adjust, sayo! Diba? So, you have to follow the beat. So, let's go. Move back. How do you travel and how do you walk? My poise, chest out, chin up, with confidence, walk. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You're doing it right. You are too careful. Marami kang sway. Okay?
Your hand goes forward.
Actually, naka-relax lahat to. Naka-relax. Ang talagang may effort is the leg. See? When you walk, hindi diretso. Don't walk this way. Kasi hindi mo baba. Always turn out a little.
And 2.
Turn out a little. Walk. Go. Right. Go.
You change them.
Then go. Good. Go.
4.
Good. Go.
Drop
Okay. Now we'll make it a little faster. Move back.
From here.
Getting there. Getting there. Okay. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1. And 2. And 3. And 4. And 5. You're lifting your feet. Di dapat. You're right. You're right. Move back. Don't lift it. Kasi pag nilift nyo, even if it's a fast song, don't travel this way.
7, 8.
You don't travel that way. Unless it's a
and 2.
musical of sound of music, then you can travel. But if it's not, if it's fast, you go 1, 2. Laging bended ang knees
6, 7.
when you travel. Now if it's slow, still the same, go 1, 2. See, oh, hindi nagli-lift. Nakaka-ano lang. Yun. Attitude, attitude. That's it. Then may confidence na kayo ng konti. Ganun dapat ang lakad nyo. Go, move back.
6, 7, 8, go 1, 2.
You have to keep this here, ha? Because when you're singing, nakatalikod kayo, sabihin ng director, walk! 1, 2.
From here.
Nandun yung confidence.
7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Again, from here. Kick and cross. You go 1, 2, and 3, 4. Tapos you don't from here, you just punch it down. Punch. Okay. While turning. So when you go 1, 2, and 3, 4. While turning, it's punching down. Okay, again. Come down. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. You go forward. You go 5, 6, 7, open.
5, 6, 7, open.
Tapos you drop a little when you go. Nakayuko na konti. Yan. 5, 6, 7, open. So 3 lang. 3 times lang yung snap. You go 1, 2, 3. On the 4th, you open. Up.
Okay, go.
Okay. From the drop, you go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. 1.
Ah, 1.
No, from here. 7, 8, right? You go forward. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
4.
Take it from the top. 5.
Yung lapel ko.
Sira.
Okay, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Drop. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. I'll let you guys try it by yourselves.
Okay.
Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Again.